have said it. And that is how it is going to be. That girl has the nerves to talk back at me. I have made my point and I'm not going back on my words. She will abort that pregnancy. Look at Cindy. Cindy has the guts to talk back at me now. I touch her. She now talks to me anyhow. It's fine.
What kind of a woman are you?
I am that kind of a woman that does not tolerate any rubbish.
You're supposed to be making peace, Tasha.
Tasha, you can do all you want. Cindy, I will marry Oliver. Bet me.
This is hilarious. I see. Look at this brat. You brought out your silly hands to bet me? I, Tacha. Are you seeing your daughter? Fine. I will bet you. I bet you. I want to watch you get married to that fool. I'm waiting for you. Have you seen it? Have you seen your offspring? Have you?
Tacha.
Goodness.
Tacha. Don't let me get mad at you. What is it? Do you want to kill me?
Mother, you need to stop this. Seriously, you need to stop it. Why are you supporting evil?
Oh.
What she did, was it right? No! And as for you, you little rat. You had impetus to bet your own elder sister. Are you sick? You want to make her worse you? I want to stop. No! You want to stop! Melissa, you want to fight me? Fight me! Stop! Fight me! Stop! Listen! I don't say any of you guys so. We have our businesses. Am I coming to beg you for money? Tell me, am I begging you for money? I will do what I choose and none of you can stop me. Mom, I'm going out.
You see? Did you just see that? Are you seeing the child you gave birth to? A little girl of yesterday now stands out and speaks to us like that. And you keep calm and stand there, yet you are the mother.
Very soon she will do it to you.